Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girly beast lady on the beat, and I'd like to welcome you back to another episode of the fish market. Guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about what can $70 get you in the fish market. You know, shopping in the market depends what you need and what you want to buy. Coming to this market, the rain showed me shege in this market, and notwithstanding, my phone got spoiled because of the rain. And right now, we are back on this market road to Warri Main Market, Obijo Market Day, and we are going to be shopping with $70, and that is about 100,000 naira. What can it get you in this particular fish market day? So I decided to get the first item, and it was a shrimp which was going for 25,000 naira per paint. You understand? And this shrimp is very, very sweet. They have different types that you can also get. They have the 30,000 naira own and they have the 15,000 naira own, but this one is going for 25,000 naira. And the next item to get is the bonga fish, which was specially requested by my customer, and we need the 3 packs of fish, which is 25 pieces per pack, and it's going for 10,000 naira, and we got it 25 pieces for 10,000 naira. That is 30,000 naira for 3 packs of this particular bonga fish. Guys, if you want to taste good sweet bonga fish, you better send me a message. Send me on an errand. Hey, if you want a sweet bonga fish, I'm going to get it for you. The last month I went to get them, I got them for 12,000 naira. Just like I used to tell you that the prices, they used to fluctuate. Sometimes you might get it higher and sometimes you might get it cheaper. For this one, it really went down. That last one was 12,000 naira, and today I am getting it for 10,000 naira. Send me a DM to get bonga fish for you. Definitely. So currently, right now, we have spent about 55,000 naira. Right now, we bought the fish for 30,000 naira for 3 parts, and we got the shrimps 1 paint for 25,000 naira. Total money spent right now is 55,000 naira. Let's see how much we can spend again. You understand? We have a balance of another 50,000 naira that we actually need to splash in this particular market. Let's go, guys. And which is roughly about $35 remaining. We have spent $35 already. So let's go, guys. Share. Now, I don't have which one is this? Which food is this?
Now this I don't do so.
Ah, okay. I go my show and that crayfish so they move around the market and then. So I got this particular half paint of basket for 3,500 naira. The custard basket is sold for 7,000 naira. So do you know that last month the crayfish was so expensive? Right now, wherever you are, anywhere you are, and you like to eat crayfish, this is another time to buy crayfish. The crayfish price is really crashed and is down. And I guess this is the season. This is the season for crayfish. So make sure that you are buying your own crayfish. I got that one for 3,500 naira, guys. Can you imagine? It's okay. Where you they go now? Come for us, so come for me. I don't know whether she go buy. We also got this crayfish for 3,000 naira, guys. I hope it's not bad. Look at it. The guy insisted and we priced it for that particular amount. So right now we are diving straight into the market more, and we need to get some items, and this particular fish we are getting it for 2,500 naira. So we had to beg them for like a stick, and they sold a stick for us for like 4,000 naira. I got 3 sticks and it was for 12,000 naira of ladyfish, guys. This ladyfish is very, very sweet. Don't underrate it. If you get the big one of this ladyfish, you will love it in your soup. So we got one for 2,000 naira, and I have 6 pieces of it, which is 2,000 naira, and it's very, very nice. How much have we spent right now? We have spent 12,000 plus 3,500 inside our $35, guys. So we roughly spent like $10.22 here right now. So we are still going further into the market to make sure that this money we finished it.
Should I have the change?
So guys, we now went inside the market more and we saw this fresh shower fish. This shower fish was sold for us for 700 naira per stick. You know why I love that shower? It's very, very fresh. Nothing beats me more than seeing fresh fish in the market. You understand? And we got like 10 sticks, which was sold for 700 naira per stick. This is so beautiful. This shower, 10,000 naira, 10 sticks for 7,000 naira. Each one is 700 naira. Are you loving this dried fish, guys? I'm loving this fresh as shower fish. Now this two maybe 8,000. Oh, but Jesus.
Which one, Mama?
Which fish is this one? I think we don't buy them before. Immediately we bought the shower fish, the rain started falling very, very heavily. Guys, we had to run inside the shop, one of the kiosks there, and and wait for the rain to finish. And while we were there, we were just admiring this particular fish, which was sold for all of them. The woman said all of this fish was 35,000 naira last, and we tried to buy these shrimps as well, and we priced 8,000 naira, and they said for all of it is going to be sold for 12,000 naira. She didn't remove any money, and honestly, we didn't buy it. As we couldn't wait for the rain and we have other things to buy from the market and the time was going, we decided to go into the market and look for snails, and these snails are being sold for one pieces for 1,000 naira. So if you want 5,000 naira on, we decided to buy for 5,000 naira on, and it was 5 pieces. One pieces was sold for 1,000 naira, guys. Would you buy it like that? We bought it. One thing I love about this market is there's no kind of fish that you cannot see. And this is tilapia fish, and we were pricing for all of them for 5,000 naira, but the woman said it's 8,000 naira. We even priced for 6,000 naira, but she refused to give us, so we had to leave the fish. So in your location, can you buy this fish for 8,000 naira? Let me know in the comment section, guys. As to dive more into the market, it was raining cats and dog. And behold, I saw these shrimps. In fact, the camera is not doing justice to this particular shrimp. If you see this shrimp live, you want to buy it, and it's being sold for 30,000 naira per basket. Guys, this shrimp was everything and is more tastier because I had to beg them for one pieces. I just want to test the shrimps. So if you want the bigger ones, it is garden for 30,000 naira. Will you buy it for that amount for the custard basket piece?